Musk Elon, he is skilled at turning charitable endeavors into profitable ventures that enable him to support himself and his family. In this episode, we explore the thoughts of two extraordinary people. One is a renowned investor with a diverse portfolio that rivals the diversity of the financial world, and the other is a mysterious trailblazer who is transforming transportation and the very future of our planet. The titan of finance, Ray Dalio, takes center stage to discuss his thoughts on a guy who has come to represent innovation itself. Dalio, the illustrious founder of Bridgewater Associates, has stated that he is thinking about investing in Tesla. Come along as we analyze the hints and explore the potential driving forces behind Dalio's decision to invest in the greatest business the world has ever seen. Musk Elon, the mastermind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and a galaxy of innovative ventures, is the epitome of unwavering drive and revolutionary vision. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of investments, from insights into Elon's genius to deconstructing Tesla's astounding stock price growth and figuring out how much Tesla stock you need for your investment portfolio. This conversation could redefine your financial future. Elon may just be the inspiration Dalio needs to invest his investors millions in Tesla. The inventiveness and brilliance of Elon Musk through the eyes of Ray Dalio. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle on, because we're going to take a Tesla-powered trip into the future. But before, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's get this video started by peeling back the layers and discussing why Tesla might be on Do's radar. Dalio is renowned for his astute investment judgment and out-of-the-box thinking. So if we were in his position, what characteristics might make Tesla an alluring prospect? Elon Musk is a name that divides people's views like a hot knife through butter. For some, he represents the contemporary equivalent of Leonardo da Vinci, a visionary genius painting the future on a canvas. For others, he represents a reckless gambler recklessly rolling the dice of innovation. However, as you can see, Rayo isn't the only one who has thrown in his 2 cents. Mania Jar, oh no, my buddy, this is a worldwide celebration of compliments and criticism. Here's the lowdown. The only person who can tell us if Musk's rocket ride will end in cheers or tears is Nope Times, and the roller coaster isn't stopping anytime soon. The brains behind the largest hedge fund in the world, Ray Dalio Bridgewater Associates, eyes has a soft place for Musk. Because in addition to thinking the man is excellent, Ease believes he has altered the world for the better. Now that do is gone, well, Musk's tag team duo. According to Dalio, Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX are not just starting businesses, but he's also writing a whole new playbook. However, there's always a but. Dalio is not a Musk cheerleader. He has his doubts about the impulsive nature of Musk and how occasionally he just goes into the unknown without even looking in his rearview mirror. As for Musk's ability to work as a team, let's just say that while he may not be everyone's first choice for a playmate, Dalio, being the impartial arbiter that he is, believes that Musk's positive traits outweigh its negative aspects. Musk is comparable to a high-stakes poker player who constantly moves chips to the center of the table and takes chances that would cause the rest of us to perspire. Let's break it down into manageable chunks, shall we? Dalio concerns about Musk's spontaneous behavior. But Dalio thinks that Musk's special sauce is his crystal ball-like vision. He's not just seeing the future, he's making it happen, and that takes courage. Antics akin to a magician pulling rabbits out of hats without thinking about where they're going to live, and occasionally Musk can be even more difficult to understand and manage in the big picture. However, Dalio seems to believe that Musk is a rare gem. Sure, he has his eccentricities, but his capacity to upend the status quo and transform the world makes him worth the odd headache. And you know what, Ray Do has a valid point. Musks are comparable to that oddball painter who may spatter paint all over the canvas, but ultimately creates a work of art that is so amazing that it stops people in their tracks. But let's not overlook the financial aspect of the picture. Given that Tesla has seen its stock price rise, Dalio, who is renowned for his careful analysis, would be interested in the company's financial performance. Skyrocket, but what about the principles? Tesla's stock has seen a spectacular journey, tumbling over 20% after the company's second quarter earnings report. Only last week, the company pulled off a heroic rescue act to prevent a horrifying 25% free fall. But wait, this is where things get fascinating on a year-to-date basis. Let's get into why Tesla's stock might just keep going up in flames. Remember those Q2 results? They were nothing short of a blockbuster, with a whopping 480,000 vehicles delivered and an 83% increase in production, making last year's figures look like a warm-up act. TSLA stock has been more electrifying than a lightning storm, surging by a jaw-dropping 98.98.9%. Compare that to the SP 500 index, which has been rising at a modest 17.6% year-to-date. Yes, hold on to your seats for an exciting revelation, my friend. Tesla is about to unveil its piece of resistance, the Model 3 Highland. This much anticipated addition to Tesla's lineup is poised to take center stage, and the audience can hardly contain their anticipation. The buzz is that this new model will hit the market with a price tag that's bound to leave a dent in quarterly margins. However, the plot twist is that it didn't bite as hard as the Wall Street skeptics thought it would. Astonishing, but hang on to your hat, this is where the story becomes really complicated. When it comes to the full self-driving software, Tesla is not just experimenting with small improvements, rather, they are orchestrating a full-blown symphony of innovation. To say that this is a game changer is an understatement. Imagine seeing Tesla vehicles glide down an open road without a human driver operating them all thanks to the wizardry of FSD. At this point, FSD is at level 3 automation, which basically means that even though it is incredibly advanced, a cautious driver must still. This is a huge leap into a future where innovation, profitability, and convenience coexist. It's not just a stride ahead. Meet up on the same route. Oh, and the story twist is here. It's possible that Tesla will invite other manufacturers of electric vehicles to join the FSD party. After all, rivals may end up working together. And let's not even talk about Tesla's superchargers, which are the best in the business in North America, which it will even share with Ford and General Motors beginning in 2025. Imagine a day in the future when GM electric cars and Tesla vehicles both gracefully sip electricity from the charging port of the former. It would be like having a universal translator for electric vehicles, allowing different makes and models to speak the same language. This is about cooperation more than just competition. Laying the foundation for an ecosystem of electric vehicles that is more integrated and efficient. But now for the big reveal, the Wall Street script for Tesla's upcoming third quarter earnings report, which is scheduled for late October, looks like this. Compared to the same quarter previous year when they earned $15 per share on $21.96 billion in revenue, they made 80 cents per share on revenue of $24.67 billion, assuming Tesla with Tesla's current stock price at $1,245. Consider this your kind invitation to jump on board before the next exciting chapter unfolds. If they nail this performance and paint a rosy picture for the entire year, expect the stock to stage a comeback. If they also shine a spotlight on their supercharger network energy ventures and FSD roadmap, then brace yourself for Tesla stock to go on a wild ride towards DAL 300 and beyond. Let's also explore Tesla shares in greater detail as a possible investment. First of all, Tesla's ascent to prominence in the stock market has been nothing short of extraordinary. It's comparable to witnessing a gifted rookie steal the show at a talent competition for investors hoping to reach their golden years. The allure of Tesla's stock can be quite alluring. But there are subtleties to take into account when deciding whether to invest in Tesla for your retirement. Just as with any other investment, nest egg depends on your individual financial circumstances and risk tolerance. If you have a long-term outlook and don't mind a wild ride in the near term, Tesla's stock may be the most important component of your investment portfolio. However, if the thought of volatility gives you the chills, you may want to look into alternative investment opportunities that provide a more comfortable ride. Now let's talk about the risk that's often overlooked. Tesla is not your typical stock, rather, it's a growth stock, which means that, like the driven young athlete setting goals for himself, the company is expected to grow its earnings and revenue at a faster rate than the overall market. However, just like that athlete's journey, Tesla's stock price can swing like a pendulum in the short term, leaving investors hanging on for the ride. This is where the Tesla story really begins to shine. Beyond electric cars, Tesla is reshaping the future with its innovative technologies and self-driving cars that look like something out of a science fiction film. If Tesla succeeds in these endeavors, its stock price may soar to the stars in the long run, making it an attractive option for retirement investors who like to dream big. Now let's talk strategy. How many Tesla stocks are appropriate to include in your retirement portfolio? It's similar to choosing how many colors to include in a masterpiece. Diversification is a universal notion in the world of investing. It's like making a buffet instead of a single course meal by investing in a variety of assets. However, there is no magic number that works for everyone. While Tesla may take center stage, it's a good idea to let other assets share the spotlight. And if you're thirsty for more advice on how to navigate your retirement with Tesla stocks, we've got a treasure trove of it. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and so on help you diversify your risk. As we wrap up this video, my friend, you may have a wealth of videos waiting for you if you visit our channel. There, you'll find a welcoming community of fellow investors exploring the path to financial security. So take a virtual seat and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Your retirement dreams may be just a click away. Let's review the main conclusions. Before we sign off, we'd love to hear from you about whether you've considered investing in Tesla for your retirement and what factors are influencing your decision. We've heard Dalio's opinions about Elon and Tesla, and we've seen how the company's stock journey has been nothing short of remarkable, but it comes with its share of risks and rewards now. If you're into investing, your decision to invest in Tesla should align with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, keep in mind that diversification is still a golden rule in investing, allowing you to spread risk across a variety of assets. In order to stay up to date with the most recent insights and news from Tesla stock news, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again. Are there any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos?